Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the CEO of Novo Bank. But before I do, I want to ask you a question. What is the most important thing to look for in a CEO? Think about it for a moment. What qualities do you think make a great leader? Once you've had a chance to think about it, let's talk about the CEO of Novo Bank, Phil Thomas. Phil Thomas has been the CEO of Novo Bank since 2010. He is a highly experienced banker with over 30 years of experience in the financial services industry. Prior to joining Novo Bank, Thomas was the CEO of Bank of America's Global Wealth and Investment Management Division. Thomas has been instrumental in Novo Bank's success. Under his leadership, the bank has grown from a small regional bank to a major player in the U.S. banking market. Novo Bank is now one of the largest banks in the United States, with over $1 trillion in assets. Thomas is a strong advocate for innovation and technology. He has been a driving force behind Novo Bank's adoption of new technologies, such as mobile banking and online banking. He has also been a leader in the development of new products and services, such as Novo Bank's popular credit card. Thomas is also a strong believer in the importance of giving back to the community. He is a member of the board of directors of several charitable organizations, including the United Way and the American Red Cross. Phil Thomas is a highly experienced and respected banker. He has been instrumental in Novo Bank's success, and he is a strong advocate for innovation and technology. He is also committed to giving back to the community. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about the CEO of Novo Bank. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more great content. In addition to the information I've provided in this video, I would also like to add that Phil Thomas is a very approachable and down-to-earth person. He is always willing to take the time to talk to customers and employees. I believe that Phil Thomas is an excellent CEO, and I am confident that he will continue to lead Novo Bank to success in the years to come. I would also like to add that Novo Bank is a great place to work. The company is committed to creating a positive and inclusive work environment. Novo Bank is also a great place to do business. The bank offers a wide range of products and services to meet the needs of its customers. I encourage you to learn more about Novo Bank and Phil Thomas. I believe that you will be impressed with what you find. Thank you for watching.